That was the best thing I've ever seen.
Hello from Esperance! We're back in Esperance again and looking forward to exploring the area once again and its beautiful beaches.
Yeah, we're super excited. Last time we were here we didn't really have too much time, so this time we're checking out a lot more beaches.
So right now we're near Twilight Beach and we're going to go check that out, which is pretty cool because there's some big rocks there and you can even jump off them.
A few minutes later.
Check it out. That's where I'm going to swim, over to there. You can hop up here and climb onto the rock and jump off into the water. Just dipped our feet in the water and it was bloody cold.
So these rocks, that's sort of what Twilight Beach is. Oh, it's cold. That's what Twilight Beach is known for. And sometimes you see cliffs and the water is just like super still and crystal blue. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like that for us. There's actually quite a bit of a swell around.
Still a nice day though.
The water looks insane from up here. The colour is incredible.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, jump! How's the free fall?
Oh my God, I'm my friend! I'm dead! Oh my God, I'm losing my dad! Okay, we are going into town now. Our mission is to find a really nice magnet. If you've been following our journey for a little bit, you know that we are collecting fridge magnets. And it's always so fun to find unique fridge magnets.
And it's a bit of a challenge too, because when we lived in Germany and we would travel around Europe, everywhere you'd go there would be cool magnets, but I feel like their magnet game isn't as good.
No, Australia needs to step up their game. It's always a challenge, so we'll see how we go today. But I'm expecting some really nice ones because it's such a beautiful place.
This is the magnet we got. Not our best one, but it was very hard to find magnets here.
We literally went to every single store, and there's a few cute little stores, but this is the best we could do, and it was $10. Well, we better see some kangaroos at Lucky Bay, or else I'll be disappointed, even more disappointed.
We're in Lucky Bay in Esperance.
Oh, there's a baby!
Oh my God.
You are?
You don't have to hit it hard.
Okay. Oh, sorry!
We've just spotted a big kangaroo just outside of our van. This is so cool. Ready?
What is happening?
We're about to go onto the beach at Lucky Bay. This is the first time that Leo's actually been driven onto a beach, but we walked there yesterday and the sand is so hard. It's honestly like a road, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it looks so good today.
Here we go.
And welcome to the exciting world of kids. 1, 2, 3, go!
Just wanted to do a quick clip about where we're parked. First time Leo's been on the beach. I mean, how good is this? Lucky Bay is just something else. I'm going to cook up some breakfast now, and I can cook on the beach. This is why it would be awesome to have a four-wheel drive, because you can do this. You can drive onto the beach and you can park up all day. We're going to be here listening to the Triple J Hottest 100, go for our occasional swim. Life is pretty good.
How is this for a brekkie spot?
We've had an epic morning at Lucky Bay, and I think we're going to head to Wharton Beach. Doesn't get better than this, does it?
I don't really want to leave. That's my
I know, same.
But apparently all the other beaches are amazing too, so I guess we gotta leave at some stage. Okay, we just got to Wharton Bay, which is supposed to be one of the best beaches in Esperance, and the weather has really turned. It was beautiful this morning. We went back to Lucky Bay and had a really nice breakfast there. And then came here and the clouds are here,
And the
good.
wind really picked up.
Yeah, it is super windy. So we decided to just have a chill afternoon, and hopefully the weather tomorrow is better. And yeah, bad weather means board games. But yeah, we're gonna get up early again tomorrow, and hopefully it will be beautiful at Wharton Bay in the morning. I won.
It's actually turned out into a really nice afternoon. Since we're at Wharton Bay, we decided not to go into town, and we're not close to a supermarket, so what we did was threw together basically everything that we had left, and we've done that many times on this trip, and it usually always works out.
To be a nice meal, yeah.
So this is what we got today.
We have rice and tuna.
Tuna.
We have rice and tuna, chickpeas, and just some veggies.
And it
We're
works.
gonna make it work.
Come dine with me, come dine, let's dine away.
That's not the lyrics.
I know, I changed it because we're eating.
Oh, you're so clever. Show them my outfit.
So stylish.
Very stylish. Good morning. It's the next day and we have good weather. Well, all you can see there is a toilet box, but we do have good weather. So we're gonna go to the beach now. Matt's gonna go for a swim and I'm doing a workout first because there's no way I can go into the cold water without, I don't know, somehow warming up first. So we're doing that and we'll show you Wharton Beach at beautiful weather.
Should I get the drone?
I don't know.
Or just go for a swim?
We may have spotted some dolphins. Oh, there they are.
Dolphins right in front of us.
Life's spinning out of control. Feels like I'm stuck in slow mo. Me vuela la mente. Las orquestas
Oh, here comes the wave.
pierde el volante. Poco a poco yo puedo recordar. Twist and turning, fire burning.
Oh my god. I can't believe that happened. That was the wildest experience. I'm still in shock and disbelief Did you think it was crazy?
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
I feel like you were just like, it's just dolphins because you're used to surfing and seeing them. But for me, it was, I never thought I would swim this close to dolphins in my entire life.
They were very close.
They were so close. It literally felt like I could touch them. Like, they came so close. I don't think anything can top this, ever, in my entire life. So yeah, we're gonna have lunch now. We spent all morning at the beach. The dolphins actually came back a second time. We didn't jump in the water that time, but flew the drone. And it was just such a good morning. We were just at the beach all day and just, yeah, super happy. I can't stop smiling. What's on for lunch, Matt?
Toasties with no cheese.
Because we've run out of food. And we're kind of thinking if we should spend a second night here. But as we told you yesterday, we're really low on food. So we'll see how we go. Good morning from Wharton Beach. We're still here. We haven't left. It's honestly too beautiful to leave. We're looking over the ocean right now.
Thought we'd spend one extra day here before going back to Esperance, the town, and stocking up before our drive to the Nullarbor, which we're not particularly looking forward to,
Yeah,
considering how beautiful it is here.
Yeah, that's the reason why we just don't want to leave, because we know what's ahead of us. It's like a three-day road trip through the desert, so yeah.
We'll just have to make the most of the morning and hope that the dolphins come back out again.
That would be so cool. I'm also tempting to actually do my workout this morning because I didn't do my workout yesterday because obviously the dolphins arrived.
Bit distracted by the dolphins.
Yeah, I literally jumped in like with my activewear on, and yeah, that was my workout yesterday morning. But this morning we're gonna go for attempt number 2.
Yeah, we'll see how we go. We have to leave.
It is so hard saying goodbye to this.
I don't want to.
I feel like this is the first time since we've started traveling really that we didn't want to leave a place.
Yeah, very true.
I mean, who would blame us? Like, this is ridiculous. But our fridge is so empty. We literally don't even have anything for lunch. So we really have to leave today.
We have more ice build-up in the fridge than actual food.
Yeah.
Bye, Wharton Beach. Wharton Beach. What?
Cause